All right, so here is where we're going to use a proportion to solve percent of problems. You'll see in the PowerPoint later on where we do a word problem like this, but I just wanted to do a video to show you and explain to you where the numbers are going in the proportion and how to solve it step by step. So when problems are written like this, you have two numbers. You're going to have your percent. You got 75%, and you have of 4. Remember when we talked about our key action words, of was one of the key action words that stood for multiplication. So this right here should tell you that you're going to multiply something. So in my proportion, everything is labeled. The number that is the percent always goes here. Why? Because a percent is always out of 100. So the percent will never go here. The percent will never go here. The percent will always go above 100. Oh no, what happened? Don't know what happened, but okay, let's fix that. So 75 is out of 100. Now over here is, remember, a proportion is two equal fractions or two equal ratios. Remember, a ratio can also be a fraction. So I have a part and a whole. That's what a fraction is. You have your numerator that's a part and your denominator that's a whole. If I am taking 75% of 4, like if I have 4 pieces of candy and I want to give 75% of it to somebody, I have a total of 4 pieces. That's my whole. I want to know how many pieces of candy I gave away. That's my X. That's something I don't know. That's what I'm trying to find. To solve this proportion, remember I said of means multiply. Now, look at your proportion. You're going to cross multiply. Cross. Not across. You're going to cross. The way you know which numbers to cross multiply is look to see. If I draw a line from here to here, can I multiply 75 times 4? Yes, I can. And get a number. Can I multiply 100 times X and get a number? No, I can't. So because I can cross multiply 75 times 4, that's what I'm going to do. Now, you see I'm using a calculator. You all use a calculator. If you do not know what 75 times 4 is, use a calculator. So I multiplied 75 times 4. Now, what do I do now? Well, I still have a number left over that I need to do something with. I still have 100. So what I'm going to do is divide this product that I got, divide it by 100. And because I know my division, and if you do not, please use a calculator. My answer is 3. That means if I have 4 pieces of candy and I want to give away 75%, that means I gave away 3 pieces of candy. Ms. Ellis, is that how we solve? That is how you solve a proportion. You cross multiply two numbers and you divide by the number that I circled, the number that's left over.